Ever had that moment? You go to start your car after it's been sitting for a while and nothing. That's where a reliable trickle charger can make all the difference. I picked up the CTEK Trickle charger specifically, the lower amp version, since I just needed to keep my Porsche's battery topped up. Not necessarily to jumpstart a dead battery, this model was perfect and affordable too. My car can be parked a bit of a distance from the nearest power point, so I wanted to set up where the charger could stay in the garage, safe from any rain, while the car is outside. To bridge the gap, I bought CTEK's extension lead. I opted for CTEK's extension lead specifically because it uses the great waterproof connectors. I didn't want to wire up a DIY extension solution, so this fits perfectly for keeping everything protected. Under the bonnet, it's pretty straightforward. The charger connects directly to the battery, ensuring it stays topped up whenever the car is parked. I've routed the wires so they go from under the bonnet, past the wipers and over the edge. This way, the bonnet can close completely and the car stays securely locked without any issues. And there it is. The charger's now up and running, keeping the battery at an optimal level. Now I can rest easy knowing the car's ready to start whenever I need it. This isn't really a review. There's already not much to review. Does it keep the battery topped up? Yeah, it does. It works pretty well. If you're looking for an easy, reliable way to keep your battery topped up, this setup with CTEK's charger and extension lead has been a great solution for me. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments.